Hello my bonsai friends. Today I want to show you a bonsai with leaves burnt by sun, and I will give you some tips on how to deal with them and try to save your bonsai. The tree is a Japanese elm, also known as Zerkova serrata or Kiyaki. In this period, in my area, the temperature has reached even 40 degrees, and this has caused the burning of the leaves, despite the plant was regularly watered. If, on the other hand, there has been burns on the leaves, despite the temperature was not very high, then it depends mainly on not enough watering. I remind you that each plant requires a certain amount of water, different from the others, and only by watering and checking the plant daily can you understand the quantity required. The Japanese bonsai masters say, in fact, it takes at least 10 years to learn how to water the bonsai. Watering is simple, but at the same time delicate process, because little water causes the drying of the plant, while if too much, it can cause root rot. As you can see, this tree is trying to make new leaves after burning, so it's in the right path to recover. This tree has never been pruned, and if it recovers this year, at the end of next winter, it will be pruned. As you can see, I will also need to fix the nebari. Let's explain the procedure to follow when there is a bonsai with sunburn. First, if the soil is dry, water the plant abundantly. Then proceed with a defoliation, eliminating all those dead leaves that come off easily from the branches by slightly touching the leaves. This will facilitate the plant to make new leaves, to return to its natural balance. Once this has been done, the plant must be placed in the shade, especially during the hottest hours of the day, for example from 9-10 am to 6 pm. In the following days, you will have to check the tree and carry out adequate watering. Since the plant is devoid of most of the leaves, the absorbed water will be smaller, and therefore the soil will take longer to dry. So when watering, always check the soil if it needs water to avoid root rot. I hope my tips are useful for you. The video ends here. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye bye!